winter beater just sitting there waiting for the snow.
I'm back.
Where is it? Holy crap. Jesus. Yep. Well, here it is. This is my project car. I have to get all the parts right there. I took some time off from my project car, so this is how it looks now. Quite bad. I just wanted to say that I'm not quitting my project car, so you know that. Still waiting on some parts, but hopefully next month they will be here. I was hoping they will be in October, but the guy was really busy, so yeah, I'm still waiting for them. Probably, as you noticed, there are a few changes in this shop where I work, so that was one of the reasons why I did not continue my project after the summer break. I took some time off in the summer because, you know, sometimes project cars can be really heavy for you, and I just wanted to take a break because I'm doing this car for 5 years now, I guess, maybe a little bit more. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. Let's get to work. Just look at this mess. Jesus. I just can't believe this all fit in my car. That's a lot of stuff.